Hi there. This video is a quick tutorial to show you how to join the professional development community for the California Community College System, or for CSD. So once you're logged into the Vision Resource Center, and I'll put some notes in the comments about how to log into the Vision Resource Center for those of you who don't do it yet, you'll hover over communities and click on all communities. And then you're going to look down for CCC professional development. You may need to go to a second or even a third page, which you can scroll to from the bottom here. Right here, CCC professional development. Click on that, and you're going to click join community. Get a little confirmation box, and you're going to see here nothing in the discussion area. But that doesn't mean nothing's been happening. It just means that the discussion area in the front here isn't loaded to anything that happened before you joined. Kind of like you can't hear the conversations that happened before you got to the party. But there's a lot of information here under topics. So if you click topics, here's where you can find all kinds of different information about events coming up and announcements and information about starting as a PD coordinator, best practices, and all kinds of things. So we hope that you, as a professional development practitioner in some way or shape or form in your college, will join the professional development community. And you can always come back here and post questions and find out information, and that discussion will now start to fill up as you are now a member here. So we hope you join us, and we hope to see you at some of the events this year.